All right, so we're here to talk today about the word trend. So trend is a noun, and it's a general direction in which a situation is changing or developing. So it's not like one detail or one example. It's like pattern, patrón, of what, synonym, pattern of what's happening when you describe a situation. So you could talk about data in science, the trend in the data. You could talk about trends in economics, trends in unemployment, or things like that, or different things in the economy. What is a trend right now? People say that China is in trouble, right? That's a trend. So what's happening around the world? You can talk about, but it's not, again, not just one detail, it's like a pattern. We also use it to talk about fashion, moda. So fashion trends, which means, again, not just one thing, but like if all the different clothing companies are doing something and people are buying that kind of clothes. So I don't know, the length of women's skirts changes. The men's suits change from the different kinds of buttons on the front. Ties get narrow, ties get wide for men, let's say. Those are trends in fashion. And like everybody starts doing the same thing, that's a trend. If somebody really pays a lot of attention to trends, we can say that person is trendy. A trendy person always wants to be fashionable, usually. Usually we use trendy for fashion trends, for somebody who pays attention to fashion trends. And they want to do the latest, they want the latest clothes, the latest shoes, everything the latest, the newest. They follow the trends all the time. So, or it could be a trendy thing, maybe a trendy product or something. You could say, this product is really trendy because now everybody wants it. It's a fashionable thing. De moda. What would be a part of speech of trendy, do you think? If I say, that person is very trendy. Adjective, because trendy describes the person, yes. I think we can add one because this is for nowadays on social media. People talk about trending on social media, which it didn't used to exist. It's a new verb. But it's not on your card because it's new. But I would say it's a modern use for social media. It means to be popular. So if we say something is trending, you see those little charts and it's like has an arrow going up, and it means lots of people are liking it or like retweeting something, or it's popular on the internet. So that's a verb. So you can add that one. Spanish, tendencia or moda. Synonyms, pattern or tendency. No antonyms. Here are some sentences. We could say trends in the economy can affect millions of people. If something is happening in the whole economy, if the unemployment rate goes up, that means millions of people don't have jobs, right? Or if it goes down, millions of people get jobs. So it can affect millions of people. So trends are big things, not small details. Fashion writers pay attention to trends in the fashion industry when they write about fashion. Here's an example. As society changes, this is an example for literature. As society changes, trends in literature often follow along with those changes. So you can talk about like in the 1920s, women started getting more rights, and then there was also literature. There were some women writers who started writing more, breaking some rules about what women were supposed to write about, for example, being more direct about their feelings, relationships, and things like that. So that was a trend in society, and literature also followed it. The way literature dealt with women was different changed also as society changed. Anybody have questions about the word trend? All right, thank you for watching, and thanks a lot for filming.